What's up, guys? So today we got presents to put on the girlfriend's Lancer with a turbo. We got a gurney flap. I bought her a carbon fiber gurney flap for Christmas, so it's one of them little flippy thingies that go right here. So we'll get a time lapse of this thing going on, and hopefully we don't mess it up. I don't mess it up, because someone might kill me if I do. So stay tuned. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is clean this wing off really good. It is all ceramic coated, I'm sure you can probably tell because it's just beading off. So hopefully that doesn't interfere with the 3M tape. We'll find out. So we got it on, didn't fuck it up too bad. Just have a very, very, very little gap on this side, but should be good. It still looks very minty. I dig it. Now she just needs more carbon, like a vortex generator would be sexy. But other than that, it fits pretty good. It's a Rec Speed, their carbon fiber one. The only thing is under here, there's a little bit of a gap. But what carbon fiber parts have you ever bought that are perfectly fitted? None, exactly. So, just a quick little video of that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hey.
Hello.
You're cute.
Thank you.
Tell us about your Lancer with a turbo.
This is my 2013 Lancer base that somehow came with a turbo. This is my 2013 Evolution. I bought it with 52,000 miles on it, and I think I'm about to hit 63. I got it in April. Bought it off of a kid that I went to college with, and I knew it was pretty well taken care of, so it's full bolt-ons, ETS Extreme catback, still stock downpipe since they're catless. It's on Anki Rajans, ETS intake, ID 1000s, and it's tuned by Junior at roughly 380, 350 wheel on flex. What else does she have? I feel like it's pretty basic. It's my daily driver.
That's why it's got to stay basic.
Yeah.
Even though your check engine light's on all the time.
It's been not coming on so much anymore.
Pretty sure the check engine light's something with the what'd it come up as? P0420?
That was the first one I had. Yeah, for a cat that I don't even have.
Yeah,
and
the stupid Rero 2 sensor.
With the cold weather, Junior said that this could happen, but it throws a P26 something. I don't know. It's like a post-catalytic lean code. He said that the car isn't actually running lean. Just happens with the cold. And I did notice that whenever the weather's been warm this past week, it went away. Not really all that concerned with it, but car runs good other than that. I don't really know. I don't really feel like it has all that much more interesting shit to talk about. It's got some basic ass Audi tails.
That's fancy.
Sweet.
How do you like your gurney flap?
I love it.
Oh, I'm glad.
My amazing boyfriend did it for me.
Yeah, that's me. Sometime you guys will see her WRX. Maybe. Because I might break up with her. Because she'll have more power than me.
That's
and
rough.
I can't have that. So, maybe the next video, Yeah, maybe the next video, because that'll be like 3 months from now. So you'll see your WRX sometime.
It's fucking running.
Planning on some cruises this summer, and as long as the Evo stays running, then obviously the WRX is gonna blow up. So yeah, we'll see how that goes.
No, the WRX just got done being blown up. She's clear now.
Yeah, which will blow up again.
It's your turn.
It's a Subaru. It's gonna blow up.
This is
It's an
gonna blow
EJ.
up.
Also true, but still. See you guys in the next one.